Welcome to the Information Center of International Contractors. If you enjoy what you are provided, please support us by liking and subscribing. Invitation for Prequalification, Aktobe-Ulgaisyn Road Project. The European Bank for Reconstruction and Development, EBRD, is offering a loan/grant to support the design, construction, rehabilitation, and maintenance of the 98 km Aktobe-Ulgaisyn Road in Kazakhstan. This project, identified as EBRD Project ID 55068, is overseen by the client JSC KazAvtoZhol. The procurement exercise will follow an open tender single stage with prequalification (PQQ) method, ensuring a transparent and competitive process. This initiative falls under the Infra Eurasia business sector, and the official invitation for prequalification has been published. The procurement exercise details indicate that the publication date was on December 23, 2024, at 11:38, with the issue date for the tender set for the same day at 10 o'clock. Interested parties are required to submit their bids before the closing date, which is scheduled for February 21, 2025, at 11 o'clock. This project presents a significant opportunity for contractors to participate in the development of critical infrastructure within Kazakhstan. The comprehensive scope of work aims to enhance transportation efficiency and connectivity in the region.